In this video, I'll show you how to remove background music while preserving vocals using CapCut PC. Open CapCut and create a new project. Import your video containing background music. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to add a crinkle wipe transition to your video project in Canva. Let's use this example project with 3 pages, each containing. Drag the video into the timeline, go to the right panel and choose the Audio tab. Scroll down and click Isolate Voice, Instruments. Select the Vocals option. Uncheck Keep Remaining Audio, then click Separate. This is how you extract clean vocals in CapCut PC. Thanks for watching. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to add a crinkle wipe transition to your video project in Canva.